Hi, in this video today I would like to show you how to do some compare between the current bylines and actuals in project statistics in Microsoft Project. Okay, so when you are using the Microsoft Project to manage your project, so sometimes you want to see some the project information or some project statistics. By default, the project Microsoft Project it will be support to show information. Okay, in this video today I will guide you how to do it. Okay, so now let's get started. And this one is a project plan I will be using in this video. Okay, and before we do some the comparison between some the status in our project, we should to see it by default information first. You go to project and click on project information. Okay, and here on this pop-up you click on the statistic. Okay, or another pop-up will be open, so you can see on this pop-up there are some information like the start and finish information for current balance actual and variance. Okay, and underneath the first section we have another section. It will be display some the duration, the total working hour, and the cost for your project. Okay, you can also see some the percent completed for your project, for the duration and work. Okay, so before we do some the comparison, we should do some the byline for our project. Okay, in order to do the byline, you click on the project and click set bylines. Click on set byline option here. Okay, by default the Microsoft project it will be support for 11 version for bylines. Okay, so what does it means byline? So byline is a standard version. I mean after you finish creating your project and you get approval from the management, so you should do some the you should keep that version as a byline version or a standard version to do some comparison between with other version during the execution phase. So it should be called a byline. Okay. So here, do setting a byline. There are the option for entire project or selected task. I will select the entire project in this video because I want to byline all of the things in the project planning, like the task, the duration, the resources, and some assessment in our project plan. Okay, so here, click on OK button. Okay, and you click again on Set Byline, and you see that for now the first byline has been added. Okay, close this one. Okay, and you see project information. So for now, after we do some the byline, you can see that we have one more information for the byline in our project. Okay. Okay. So here, if we want the estimation for the duration in this project is not incorrect for now. So if I change this one, okay, it will also change the information in project information. Let me click on this one, and you see the statistic. Yeah, the current. No, because this task it is not on the critical path in our project, so it does not affect into the duration of our project. Let me change this one. When you see in the Gantt chart here, there are some tasks in the red color. That means it belongs the critical path. Something like this. Yeah. So when you change the duration in the critical path, the the project timelines will be impacted. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So you see here the baseline version. We have to finish the project on the due days as December, but for now the current status it will be finished on the 9th. Okay, 9 December. Okay, and also the below you can see the bylines. We have finished this one in the 57 days, but for now it's 58 days. Okay, follow this one, and let me do some the updates in the tab here. You see in the project we have a a percentage completed in our project, which indicates how many percent we already done for my task in the project. Okay, let me change this one 100%. Or you can do some the quick updates is over the task. And here in the schedule section there are some the standards percentage. Okay. Okay, something like so. Cool. So now after we update some the percentage or we have some activities in our project plan, let's see what is the difference in the project information statistic. Okay. So you see here it already is updated. Okay, cool. And okay, so here I think for now we are already enough information for the project statistic. So now I will try to explain more detail for you for some of the concepts in the project statistic. We have the current, baseline, actual, and variance. Okay, so I will go one by one to explain more detail. Okay, so firstly I will explain again for the baseline. Stabilize mean the planning. I mean the planning for our project. Okay. After we get approval for the first version of our project, so we should do the baseline, and then in the future we can buy on this baseline to do some comparison with other version. Okay. For example, in the baseline here, yeah, and the current. Okay, the current you see that uh, the current compared to the baseline, it will be finished project after 1 day. After 1 day, compared with the baseline. So you see in the variance, there are 1 day. Okay, I mean extra 1 day for to complete project. Okay, and in the start, I think will be the same because everything will be start at the same time. Okay, okay, and the current mean is in the expectation of the current date. So, for example, when you are running your project and today based on the plan you have to finish your project in around 50%. Okay, but for now you have just finished around uh, 40%. That means your project will be behind schedule and you need to finish one more 10% in order to bring your project back on track. Okay. Okay. And the actual that means how many percent you already completed for your project. Okay. And how many percent, how many working hour, how many is cost you already spent in your project. Okay. So taking a look into the below section, you can see the baseline. Okay. So here you can see that the current will be finished this project in 58 days. But the planning we have to finish is around 57 days. Okay. And for now actual, we have not finished around 67 days. And we need to have we need to complete one more 43.33 days in order to finish project. And the duration we already done around 25 and work also 25% okay. 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 So close this one. Okay, so I think that's all for today. And after we finish this video, I think you will understand about some the status in our project, statistic in Microsoft project. I hope this video will helpful for you. So, if you have any question or any concern, please go ahead to put it in the comment of this video. So I will try to answer you as soon as possible. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye and see you later in other video.